One of my favorite dishes from Din Tai Fung is their Shanghai Rice Cake stir fry. It comes with chicken, bok choy, mushrooms, and a delicious sauce that covers it all. Today, I'll show you how to make this delicious dish at home for a fraction of the cost, but with all the flavor. You'll definitely want to add this to your meal plan, so let's get cooking. Mince 7 garlic cloves. Chop 1 bunch of green onions. Slice 10 rehydrated shiitake mushrooms. Thinly cut 1 chicken breast. And have 1.5 cups of bok choy cleaned and ready. On a wok set to high heat, add some oil and our garlic. Then add our chicken and cook for about 3 minutes. Add our veggies that we prepped. Then add about 2 pounds of loosened Shanghai rice cakes. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and add a lid to allow the rice cakes to steam. Do this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Toss everything together to get the sauce coated everywhere. And boom, you have Din Tai Fung Shanghai Rice Cake Stir Fry. Yum. This is by far one of my favorite dishes. Each bite has that saltiness from the soy sauce and umami from the shiitake mushrooms. It's like a taste of eating out, but at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know down in the comments below what your favorite takeout food dish is.